Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I came with another exciting update from Copilot Studio. Microsoft has introduced a new feature called Multi-Tenant support, which is currently available in preview. So what is this feature? Until now, if you created an agent in Copilot Studio, users could access it only within the same Microsoft Entra tenant, where the agent was hosted. But with multi-tenant mode, users from other organizations or tenants can also access and use your Copilot Studio agent. For example, if your agent is hosted in Tenant A, users from Tenant B can now interact with that agent through supported channels. How do you enable it? Open your Copilot Studio agent, go to Settings, navigate to Security, and turn on the Enable Multi-Tenant Support option. After publishing the agent, it can be made available across tenants through supported channels. How does it work? Your tenant remains the host tenant, where the agent is developed, managed, and billed. External users access the agent from their own tenant, while the agent continues to run from the host environment. Now, let's talk about some important limitations. First, this feature is still in preview. Second, only Microsoft Teams and Microsoft 365 Copilot channels are currently supported. Third, end-user authentication is not supported, meaning the agent cannot use the external user's identity to access downstream services. Also, custom connectors, MCP tools, agent flows, and conversation transcripts are not supported in multi-tenant mode. And one important note from Microsoft: if your agent uses maker credentials, be very careful, because information could potentially be shared across tenants depending on how your agent is configured. If you'd like to explore this feature in more detail, including the supported scenarios, prerequisites, and the latest limitations, I highly recommend checking out the official Microsoft documentation. I've added the documentation link in the video description below. That's all for this quick update. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Copilot Studio updates. Thanks for watching.